This is the Samsung Galaxy A05s. This is a new entry-level phone from Samsung, and it comes only in one configuration, that is 4GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. Here on the back we see that we have a triple camera setup with the main sensor being 50 megapixels, and the thing that I like most about this camera is the fact that it can do 60 frames per second, as you can see here, Full HD 60. Even in the selfie camera, Full HD 60. The selfie camera is 13 megapixels. It has a 6.7-inch 1080p LCD display. Regarding the processor, I'm not sure because in the spec sheet it says that the phone has Qualcomm Snapdragon 680, but here it says that it has Qualcomm Snapdragon 665. Basically, this phone has the same chipset as the Samsung Galaxy A23 4G. This phone will cost you around 200 euros. In that price point, this phone is not recommended at all because in that price point you can get much better phones, at least with an AMOLED display like the A24. But I believe that the price of this phone will drop in 2 or 3 months in around 150 euros, and then it will be the perfect time to buy this phone. This phone is identical with the A14 and they do share the same protective cases. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next one.